Samahan ng mga makasalanan, starring David Licauco, Sanya Lopez, and Joel Torre, held its premiere night on Thursday ahead of its theatrical release. According to Los Santiago's report on 24 na oras, fans flocked early to the event held in Gateway Mall, Quezon City. David was present at the event, saying the film's release is just in time for Holy Week. Super timely niya dahil yung concept ng pelikulang ito ay it centers around God. It's about change, pagbabago sa buhay na kung nagkaroon ka ng kasalanan dati, it doesn't mean na hindi ka pwedeng magbago, he said. David's love team partner Barbie Forteza, who is not part of the film, also graced the event sporting her new haircut and little red dress. David plays the role of Deacon Sam, who gets assigned to a place that keeps running of its priests, Santo Cristo. Shot in Vigan, the film turns Calle Crisologo into a street resembling a red light district where all kinds of evildoers gather, pimps, gossip mongers, thieves, gamblers, and gangsters. To redeem the sinners, Sam gets the idea to form a church group, the Samahan ng Mga Makasalanan. He tells them that he will guide them to change their ways. The movie also stars Buboy Villar, Cheryl Solomon, Betong Sumaya, Yuen Micael, and more. Samahan ng Mga Makasalanan is directed by Benedict Nick. It will be released in cinemas on April 19.